If I select all of the text on the right-hand side of this drawing with a crossing window, notice that the blocks of text consist of groups of single-line text. So if we just zero in on this group through here, there are 3 pieces of text in that group. So each line in blocks here has been done by the single line text command. Draw text single line. I notice also that things are just not quite lined up as well as they should. There is a tool on Modify, Align Text, which could be used to fix that. We can grab everything, make sure we've got all of the lines or entities of single line text, hit Enter, choose Left, and set a point. Now everything lines up, except this line, this one down here, which didn't line, and I'm just looking here for the alignment, center top. The alignment here is also center top, so I'm not quite sure why that second line in that group didn't line up. But I do digress. A better way of handling blocks of text like that, if we move across here, what I've done is repeated all of those groups of text, and let's zoom in a little. So I've just repeated them over here. But if I select this one, this has been done with the MTEXT command. And again, I can remove all of these, erase them, pick this lot here. They're all higgledy-piggledy at the moment. We can just move them all across and line them up like so. And then we can again do that trick of modify, align text, get all of the text now, which is now MTEXT. Whoops, try that again, align text, select the text, hit Enter when ready, Left, and we'll line them up like so. So now all of the text that we wanted in there is in MTEXT, so we can edit it very, very easily. Just jump in here, and we've got a full text editor in there where we can fix up spelling mistakes and enter things. Now, really all we need to do now is move our blocks of text so that I'll put polar on, make sure we don't take them out of alignment, and just center them like so. You can control things like line spacing within it. Here's a piece of text here where line spacing is 416. Notice the bigger gap between it. So whereas in this instance line spacing is 300. You can use modify and match properties and just pick that one as the entity, and then we do that. Now all of those MTEXT blocks of text there all have the same spacing, all line up really nicely on the left. They're all justification left bottom. You could change that, but as long as they're consistent, everything lines up, and we are able to edit those notes very, very easily. So I think that's a little easier than doing all of these separate lines within blocks of text with the single line text command. I should have added, if we pick the MTEXT here, it's in a style Arial, and what I did before I began is format text style Arial and set it up at 250, which was the height of the text in the original design when we picked it up. So that's an important preliminary step.